Hey guys, I wanted to show you a new web app I'm currently working on. It's called Music Release Planner and it's an AI-powered release strategist for independent artists. So basically, the app helps you to create custom tailored content for your social media with the help of AI, so you can promote your new releases more effectively. So as you can see here at the top, you can enter your release details, and based on that info it will then generate engaging posts for all your social media platforms down here on the right. The app is split into 8 different phases, as you can see here, from the recording phase and up to the release day and even post-release. As you can see on the left side here, it also includes some useful tips and resources along with a checklist for each phase. So let me give you a short demo of the app so you can see how it works. So here at the top you have to enter your release details, your artist name, let's say Bloom, your release title, for example Hold On, your artist type if you're a solo artist or a band, your release type if it's a single, an EP or an album, your music genre, let's say pop, and your release date, for example December 30. So then you simply click the Generate Post Ideas button and you wait for a few seconds for all the posts to be generated. And as you can see here at the bottom right, you get some post ideas that are suitable, for all your social media platforms. For example, your Instagram feed, X, Facebook, and TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For these platforms, you get the posts that you can use for each platform. For example, can't wait to share the first single from my upcoming project. Hold On is coming December 13th. Stay tuned. You also have some hashtags that you can use, and also a media suggestion like an image or a video. For example, a simple eye-catching graphic featuring the single's artwork with a release date. So you get different posts depending on the social media platform. So you get different for Instagram feed, a different one for X, Facebook, and here this is a combined platform which basically gives you a video script, so you can create and record a short video that you can then post to these platforms like on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If for any reason you don't like a post and you'd like to see some different ideas, you can simply click the regenerate button here, wait a few seconds, and so you get a new post. And you can do this for each platform, or if you prefer, you can click regenerate all and it will regenerate posts for all the platforms at once. So let's see a different phase, because these posts are generated specifically for each phase. So now you're in the recording phase, so it says been locked in the studio lately working on something special. So as you can see, this is specific to the phase that you're currently in. So if you're on the recording phase, it will say something that's suitable for this phase. So let's try a different phase. Let's say you're on the mixing and mastering phase. This will generate some new post ideas that they will be specific to this phase. So as you can see here, can't wait for you all to hear Hold On. Been pouring our hearts into the final touches, mixing and mastering. Yeah, mixing and mastering complete, dropping. So as you can see here, you have different posts that are specific to the phase you're currently in, which is important. So so you have plenty of different posts so that like your audience and your fans can follow your journey depending on what phase you're in. You have different posts for your social media. So again, the same thing. Let's try one last phase. Let's say you're on the release day. So this will generate some new posts, and as you can see here, you have something that's specific again to this phase. So as you can see here, for example, for Instagram, it says hold on is officially out now. Yeah, and also as you can see, because your release date is December 30, this also generated a post that says ready to dive into the new year with a new song. I hope you love it. So as you can see, it's very tailored to what you enter for your release details at the top here. So it will, it will mention your name, your release title. It will generate posts depending on based on what you've entered here. So that's very important as well. So you have custom, customized posts tailored specifically for your own release and not some, random posts. And of course, here on the left, you also get some, like a checklist, things to remember that you have to do for each phase. And as you, for example, update your social media bios with a new song link, share the release across your social platforms, and so on. And of course, some resources and tips for each phase. So you have everything put together, so you can have a successful release from start to finish. From the recording phase up to the release day, and even after that.